Secure coding practices. Carnegie Mellon University's Software Engineering Institute, SEI, produces good coding standards. CISSP's top 10 secure coding practices are: validate input, heed compiler warnings, architect and design for security policies, keep it simple, default deny, adhere to the principle of least privilege, sanitize data sent to other systems, practice defense in depth, use effective quality assurance techniques, adopt a secure coding standard, validate input from all untrusted data sources. Compile code using the highest warning level available for your compiler and eliminate warnings by modifying the code. Create a software architecture and design your software to implement and enforce security policies. Keep the design as simple and small as possible. By default, access is denied and the protection scheme identifies conditions under which access is permitted. Every process should execute with the least set of privileges necessary to complete the job. Sanitize all data passed to complex subsystems such as command shells, relational databases, and commercial off-the-shelf (COTS) components. Manage risk with multiple defensive strategies, so that if one layer of defense turns out to be inadequate, another layer of defense can prevent a security flaw. Good quality assurance techniques can be effective in identifying and eliminating vulnerabilities. Develop and/or apply a secure coding standard for your target development language and platform.